This Align Right Realty property video is presented by KISSIMMEE. This well-maintained home features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, Harwich I floor plan by Lennar, nestled in the highly sought-after gated community of Reflections at Storey Lake. This charming 2-story home is optimized for modern living with tons of upgrades. The first floor showcases a spacious office off the foyer, a kitchen with a butler's pantry, a dining area and family room. Cooking is a dream with such a stunning kitchen that boasts of gorgeous granite counter space, modern tile backsplash, 42-inch wooden cabinets, an island with breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a large dining space overlooking the backyard with glass panel door with built-in blinds. As you make your way to the master bedroom, you will be amazed with the large windows that invite a lot of natural light, a huge walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom boasting a dual-sink vanity with granite countertops, garden tub and glass-enclosed walk-in shower. 2 laundries are another great feature with the home, with a laundry room upstairs and 1 laundry closet with stacked-up washer and dryer downstairs. Going up the wood stairs to the 2nd floor, you'll find the high-quality laminate floor loft, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a Jack and Jill bathroom with double vanity and private shower and toilet. Bedroom 4 and 5 also share a Jack and Jill bathroom with the same features. Some of the great features of this home are seamless gutters, the brick-paved backyard, and a large lot. Storey Lake offers family-friendly, resort-style amenities that everyone will enjoy, including a clubhouse with a playground and fitness center, a resort-style pool and water park. Just minutes away from the best attractions Central Florida has to offer, this home is perfect for a destination getaway with easy access to Walt Disney World, Universal Studio, SeaWorld, as well as major highways that make driving to either coast a breeze. Here's your chance to live in a great location in a home that is simply perfect. Motivated seller, schedule your showing today. The community is not zoned for short-term rental. $1,000 seller contribution with preferred lender, first choice lending. For more information, review the details.